In this video, we'll go over the LeadSquared Teams feature and how it can help you segregate your users by department, region, or any other criteria. Once you set up teams in your account, you can assign attendance management features like workday templates, holiday calendars, and leave trackers. You can also assign your teams powerful features like customized smart views and lead details pages and custom dashboards. Log in to your LeadSquared account. Navigate to Profile, then click Advanced Configurations. Search for Teams and enable the switch to View to setting. Now navigate to Settings, Users, and Permissions, and then click Teams. We've created teams and organized the hierarchy based on region. When creating a team, enter a name and a description, and select a parent to determine where the team should appear in the hierarchy. Use the column customization option to view more team-related data on the grid. Now that your teams are set up, you can start adding users to each team. Navigate to the Users page. Select the users you want to add to a particular team, and under the Actions menu, click Bulk Update. Select the team and click Save. If you have a large number of users, use Advanced Search to filter out the required users. You can also edit an individual user's profile and update the team from the Work Details tab there. Again, you can use the column customization option to display the team on the user grid. Finally, you can start applying the available attendance and lead management features to your teams. For more information on each feature, check out the other videos in this series. When you apply a feature to a parent team, the child teams can directly inherit the feature configurations from the parent team, or you can select different configurations for each team.